Okay, so this is the Viva Naturals Organic Extra Virgin Coconut Oil, and it's made with fresh organic coconuts. And what it is, it's a high heat oil, and I know that it looks solid, but that's because we're at room temperature here, and it is solid at room temperature, but as it heats up, it melts down like an oil and stuff. And in fact, if you use it for oil pulling, at first you put it in your mouth, and before you start swishing it around in your mouth, you got to let it kind of melt down a little bit, because at body temperature, it is more of a liquidy and stuff. They sent this to us so we could show it to you, but it won't break down if you're using it at high temperatures for cooking, like some other cooking oils will. So it's really great for sautéing and frying and baking and popping popcorn and all that stuff. It's very versatile, and you can use it for hair care and skin care and all kinds of stuff like that. This is the unrefined, so it still has the coconut taste to it. But if you want not to have the coconut taste when you're baking or whatever, you can get the refined, which has a neutral flavor and doesn't taste like coconut. And you just store it in a cool, dry place, and it's solid at room temperature. And she's got her eye on you, doesn't she?
This coconut oil is so good for you in so many different ways. And want a little bit of that?
Yeah. Use it for cooking your Thai food and
well, even with
sautéing your
oil pulling, having a little bit of flavor won't make me gag so much. You know, I like to have a little bit of that coconut flavor, and I like the taste of coconut.
Right.
I know you don't.
I'm not a huge fan of coconut, no, but
Pippi liked it.
Yeah, she did. Good stuff.
Yeah, it's really good.
Thanks for sending that.
Yep.